my truck full you know this better day, How about flashing in that red eye? Catch her all, he dead now, Yeah, on my head, I go insane, going crazy by that red. Then I see my partner die, ain't even wanna talk to the fed. Shit, I go dummy, nigga, like he's red run. Yeah, I feel my tummy, nigga, with these big funds, crack a lot, don't play by fire. Yeah, I step by guys, yeah, take off in red eye.
You know I do so geeked up, might switch the bin. I got this bad bitch, so these chill know I can't do it, might fuck a friend. I hit the corner, I'm tryna slide, but I told God I'll never sin. These niggas talking out they top, but we be dropping many men, dropping many men, come on, bitch, I don't need no silence, I'm designer stepping. Pop out hella smoke, bitch, you can't call the weapon. Put that hot shit on his head, but we got hella weapon. Big ass Draco fuck him up, nah, he can't call his tail, nah, but he can't call the nigga. Gang in the session, right, compare everything with some ballers, nigga.
Yeah, I got the ball right in my hand, shit on shot call a nigga.
Prime car, nigga. And if I hop right in that field, go stiff on all these niggas. We told Glocks and pistol, ARP hit like
YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. We're here at Lanier Raceway. Getting that content in. I'm putting the car in the car show. Daily Driven Exotics, not the DDE, but the actual Georgia group car club is out here. We got sliders, we got burnouts, we got two steps, we got foreigns, we got borns, we got muscle, we got everything.
What? What did he say?
So let's go.
You go.
perfect.
Yes, sir.
I don't know why I thought you had a.
Oh yeah, I'm on vlogging for YouTube. Yeah.
I thought you had something in there.
Yeah. Sorry about that. Oh, appreciate you. Yes, sir.
Straight down. I'll help you out from there.
All right, thank you.
See you good.
It is crazy thick out here. Woo! We got cars all over the place. Like I said, we are, if y'all can see on the map, Caffeine and Octane Lanier Raceway. They're gonna be shutting this down to build some crazy stuff out here, so we'll see. Hey, that's cool. Oh yeah. Hey, we got the slowest shit out here, man, so we'll see.
There you go. Big dog, big smoke.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How you doing, man? Josh, nice to meet you. Hey, I told him, I need him to handle that, Man, this V6 sound good. Hey, I asked him to handle that Hellcat for me.
Yeah.
I meant to put on my slicks today.
My truck full you know this better day, How about flashing in that red eye? Catch her all, he dead now, Yeah, on my head, I go insane, going crazy by that red. Then I see my partner die, ain't even wanna talk to the fed. Shit, I go dummy, nigga, like he's red run. Yeah, I feel my tummy, nigga, with these big funds, crack a lot, don't play by fire. Yeah, I step by guys, yeah, take off in red eye.
You know I do so geeked up, might switch the bin. I got this bad bitch, so these chill know I can't do it, might fuck a friend. I hit the corner, I'm tryna slide, but I told God I'll never sin. These niggas talking out they top, but we be dropping many men, dropping many.
Hey YouTube, I'm out this shit chilling right now. Bro, I'm so tired I can't make this up.
Cause you gotta go, you getting rid of the whole.
Car's looking good. Like, look at my seat. I'm in the chair chilling. Let me show y'all.
Pop my hell smoke, bitch, you can't call the rep. Put that hot shit on his head, but we got hella well. Big ass Draco, fuck him up, nah, he can't call himself. Nah, but he can't call him. Gang in the section, rockin' everything with some ballers, nigga. Yeah, I got the ball right in my hand, shit on shot, call a nigga. Before I call a nigga, and if I hop right in that field, go stiff on all these niggas. We told Glocks a pistol, ARP hit like a bitch. All niggas be dissing on the net, whole time I fuck this shit. Said fuck some bad shit, brand new bitch, not average. I just took the scat thing straight to Scotty, this bitch here catless.
This so hard, these bitch got hella power. Home in my head, shit, I been going wild. Feel attached to all these demons, I'm a ghost child. Back then.
That's how I skip down the niggas meeting, talking about like, yeah, let's grill. Yeah. And then they just gonna throw a regular Corvette shell over the top of that motherfucker. Yeah, let's race. Nigga, you kidding?
When I kick a eye, why you tryna play, you not in like the spot? Oh, no, damn, I get these rats like, oh well. She try to play like, fuck it, shit ain't cool no more. I ain't fucking with you, I don't even want your love. Rich stoner, fell in love with drugs. My pocket star like this one-on-one. I'm in the city, shit got hella guns. Hella scribbles, big got hella buns. Try to come up on this side shit, you won't leave with one. I know niggas in that cell out door for murder one. Gun down, he can't run. I know niggas kill for fun. Yeah, don't even want no more. Shit, I want a whole lot of smoke. Yeah, don't even want no more. Hell nah, shit, I don't wanna. I'm a rock star, nigga, I'm a stoner. I don't want y'all love shit, hell nah, I don't want no attention. Nigga, I been in my mood, just mind y'all business.
Oh, that's cool.
They be clean, crazy. Them niggas lucky that my partner stressful. In my head shit, I be soaring, I feel like a buzzer. Only for ride with these hoes, cause they be boring Carter. Nigga lame, get soft, take off in the muscle slide. Take off with my cousin, die. Sippin' lean like suicide. I'm tryna do right for my people, I ain't doing right. And I had losses in that field, I had to earn my stripes. What she doing? I don't know. Like, do she want or you want my bro? And I can't do nothing with no dog, bitch. She might snake my phone. You like my pockets, huh? Yeah, but you be adding up. I ain't with that funny stuff. Shit, I tell her toughen up.
Yeah, exactly.
Think I'm a runner. Yeah, think I'm a runner. Fell in love with Stitch, nigga. Know it hit like thunder.
Yeah. Ain't no one colder than me. I'm straight from the mud. I got me a plug, and now I be rolling with Meech. You think of the shit, you think of the bitch. Go ahead and call the police. This nigga's a trip, your homie's a snitch. You probably be homie with me. I hit him phone and tell him I know you don't like me, but fuck it, I'm over the beat. Told him we can be friends, invited him over and gave him some soda and bleach. If you join me lost, and I told him it's soft. Nigga took a stroll on the beach. Nigga, I got the sauce. Picture a dog, just don't get a hold of my leash. Y'all nigga back to the bluff. Tryna get back to the bus. If I do not make a familiar and shit, and I might just go back to the hustle. I got me some product and I ain't gon' hide it. I might just trap it in public. I might go to prison for free on my niggas that's worried to have me a talk. How do you ask me questions? I'm sick of it. Why you keep shutting shit down in the internet? Why do you have so much talent and benefits? Why you keep dropping your album in increments, idiot? calling somebody better call the ambulance to the EMT. Nigga on the bomb like TNT, but I roll up on a nigga with a GMC. Get the clapping all the middle bit of END. Call the plug, tell them that I want at least 10 keys. Now I'm back up in this EPMD. Could've walk in my shoes with a street stampede. Can't walk this way, I run DMC. Back in the mail, I sit it down and it's cracking the scale. Had to switch position from the kitchen, nigga. I was flipping like a spatula Dale. Pretty Ricky with them bitches when I'm hitting long as a dread on spectacular hair, shit light shit, white whip. Open up and look like a packet of mail. I'm back in Riddell, fucking up the check and chucking up the set. And I'm back off the layover, pay over, way over. Niggas no summer, but a nigga stay over, nigga. Your bitches with me to the day. AK loaded up the same way. Chain swing, white person screaming out, gang. Fly to kick, Jet Li and Luke, can't. I got a little bit, he got me beige guard like, but it dang. Got a main dame, Audemars, that's my main thing. Got a rollie, watch her name Jane, but she plain, so we call her plain Jane. Over her, I let it bang, like the fingers twisting on the gang member sitting in the chain gang, nigga, please. I got old nigga cheese, yeah, I got whole nigga knees. Can't let a faux nigga roll up, put a hole in your shit and then let the whole nigga leave, man. Y'all niggas know a nigga T-O-R-Y, all my niggas got pulls in the O's for the free, all for the fee. If a nigga throw a couple G's, get a little nigga smoke for the free, man. 150 for a show, nigga, that's how I go. I was chosen with those melodies, niggas hating, I been going in with those enemies, and the snakes keep blowing it with those in the breeze. I'm under no good, my boys in the hood, with no young Jeezy and no Jody Breeze. I can blow 40 G's, still come back, who the fuck looking like the old dirty beef from the Wu-Tang, nigga. I can say nothing on the motherfucking track, still go back like Wu-Tang, nigga. Did the thing, nigga, hopping in the moose, say hotter than a blue flame, lit up in the food tank, nigga. Man, niggas better hide, niggas wet, niggas set the rock on the food chain, nigga. Niggas so like can't cool hang, nigga, can't cool bang, which can't move bang, which see a little bad bitch walking out the block, but she looking at me. Oh, you lie. Sweat through a headband, might look alive. That's cause you already know you a dead man. If you got plans, so won't stop me. I've been sent here from Illuminati. Evil scriptures written on my body. Me and Satan pull up in a red Ferrari. Put this fucking arm around me. 44 shots traumatized in front of 45. Here's 44 more carbon copies. And you kamikazes, that's for everybody. Mama, pop, sister, brother, cousin, uncle, auntie. This is not Versace, this is Hakabachi. This is Hiroshima, this is Nagasaki. I'm a Hamagami. Fucking humanoid, Anunnaki. With plenty hammers when I'm riding shotty. When you talk about me, ain't too hard to find me. I've been killing niggas till another left off. Tryna look at bigger than a strap off. Spend a bitch, wanna give me best off. Never feel like I was next off. But I just feel like I can't kill this shit and then put all of your fucking money in it.
YouTube, hopefully y'all enjoying the content, man. I gotta go pee. They just said there's a 2-step contest. I'm late as hell. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 6 cars left. Let's go get it. Oh!
See, right? Shit, it's right.
Oh, it's real? Oh,
He's right here.
oh, that's that bitch ass nigga.
Yeah.
That's that bitch ass nigga. Oh.
Back up, all that's in there standing up. On the count of 3, I want to hear them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Infinity, make some noise. And if we got over the Z, make some noise. Half of y'all had all your ugly ass mouths closed, alright? I'm gonna need y'all to fucking vote. If we want the Infinity, we're gonna make some noise. And we want the Z, we're gonna make some noise. Open this up over there. Don't kill us. Get on out of here. What do we got here?